Yo, what up? What up, disciplined CT in the house? What's crack-a-lacking? Dude, this action's just slow. What up? What up, Code? I mean, this is the slowest action I've seen in a while. Bro, some guy on Twitter, think thought I was real. I was like, somebody definitely showed their prop firm accounts to get a mortgage. Yo, I tell you, somebody definitely did that. They took like a screenshot of their accounts to show the mortgage company that they have money. Yo, oil prospector, welcome to the stream. What's up? Good afternoon, Vince. Oh, ZK in the house. Yeah, I don't know why it's so slow today. I know you have PLTR earnings today. You got FOMC on Wednesday. Yeah. I mean, for me personally, it's actually a great day. I'm up $1,800 here because options premium are just getting sucked out. Yo, Fannie Mae mortgages, just show me a prop firm money. You'll get a mortgage. Show them it. Yeah, things are shit's just grinding up. Pretty good day. I haven't really traded much today. I mean, I finished these two accounts, locked in a payout, trade this funded account. Yo, what up, Matt? Check out not gonna lie, I held a long trade from overnight. Didn't get much sleep, but I don't feel like the need to pass. I liked my entry and figured it would take target somewhere. I suppose 900. Yeah. Yeah. That's a work day right there. 312 in your personal account. Oh, what are my thoughts on HIMS? I actually really like HIMS, Matt. I'll tell you what I have. I wrote this week's 34, 35, and 37 puts. On top of that, I own 200 shares. And let me see if I have anything else. Hold on. And then on the 200 shares, I turned around and wrote $50 calls. So that's what I got. So I wrote a ton of puts because premiums are fucking jacked. I mean, you can write puts that are $8 out of the money and still collect almost 2% on your money. That's wild. What up, Carlos? Yeah, I put eval balances in my Tinder profile. Yo, you got it, man. You got to flex. Got to show the chicks. Cove, if you don't mind me asking, you don't need GQG data if you would take Power Trader while using Tradeovate. No, you don't. No, you just sign up. They give you the account and all the data comes with it and everything. Yep. You're all set. I'm waiting to come back to 34. Yeah, all good, man. All good. I think I'm going to go buy a car today. It's raining out, so I don't have to go coach today. I'm like 6 months past due. I found a crazy deal online. Firms like, dude, Yan, what is that? Savius? Make you pay data? Is that Savius? Yo, this chick gave me Savius last weekend. I got a bad case of Savius. Yo, it burns when I pee because I got Savius. It just, I don't even know what to say about that. Yeah. I don't use them. What up, Dr. T? I mean, yeah, I'm just waiting for it to pull back to maybe the 34. Let me get a little entry. Sounds like the calamari I caught once. Yeah, I'm out on that. I'm out. Are they gonna bounce this back to the imbalance right here? Dude, it's fucking slow. Boom, 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 boom. I wonder if the end of day trade is going to be slow also. I do have, you know what? It may or may not be because PLTR is coming out. Also, I'm still going to drift even though PLTR is coming out. I'll drift. Why not? Didn't we whine a few weeks ago about, dude, I like that. You guys, it was crazy, but I actually liked the 40 points every candle. That shit was freaking awesome. What up, Jack? Dude, I thought that was crazy. I thought it was crazy. I thought it was really good. Nobody cares about tariffs.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Yeah, yo, it was. It was like 100. The stop losses were crazy. Yo, what up, Gene? Trying to make some money here. Trying to make some money. It's just slow. I feel like this is Asia. This is what Asia feels like if you've ever traded that. That's why I stay far away from that. Come on. Ooh. Fuck yeah. I just got 455 in this one. What? Dude, that was a good hit. That was 100. That was 107 bucks. Marie still in the trade from this morning. Marie, how much you up? You got to be up a good amount. You got to be up at least. You might be up 100 points or over. Yo, what up, Sean? What do you? What's the P&L on that trade? It's got to be high. Yeah, this is crazy. You know, we were talking about this break right here. I drew this morning. Would have been good. Dude, Marie held that long. What's up, Joyce? Damn. That's solid. You know, it goes to show you one micro and you're up $300 on one micro in two different, and plus you have it in two different accounts. That's crazy. That's crazy, crazy. Did you move your stop loss up at least? Where's your stop loss at? Oh, you know what I wanted to do? Damn, so you've just been riding it. When the 9 crossed the 21 was probably somewhere around 927. If I were to guess, around 927 you got in. And you've been holding long and strong. It's crazy how you don't take profits like up here. That's 100-point swing. Where are you going to take profits at, Marie? Where are you looking to get out at? Yo, what up, Kron? Yeah, I mean, I can't hold that long. I mean, honestly, I would have gotten stopped out right here. Like when we went up this high and came all the way back, or even all the way back here, I'd be out. I'd have been out. I mean, that's a pretty sizable drawdown. Look at it. 111. That's 80 points. And if you go down to the bottom here, it's over 100 points. What up, BK? Yeah, I mean, to hold that would definitely be hard. Really hard. What's up, Maria? Yo, 3 minutes max for Scotsman. Oh man, how you enjoying being home today, Maria? Maria, what state are you in? I think I asked you this. What state are you? Are you in Texas? Yo, what up, Cube? Yo, best 3 minutes of your life? Yo, I couldn't hold that long. Oh, the ATL? That's right. I keep fucking you know what? I knew it was down south. I was trying to figure it out. Yo, it was moving, but the EMA stayed separated. Yeah, I mean, you got to follow your rules. Yo, Cube, you up today? I trade every session. Dude, you trade every session today? Dude, that's wild. But did you sleep? Would you trade the beginning of Asia and then wake up early to trade London and New York? Or how'd you trade every session? I'm trying some action from the back section. Trying, man. Trying to do what I can. Asia to London and then fell asleep. Yeah, because what's London start at? 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock? I think it's 3 o'clock, right? Or 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's nice trading micros. It gives you more flexibility. Dude, I can't trade every session. I suck at night. Hit it from the back, Cove. Mad Moxie's in the house. Oh, dude, I suck at night though. It's so bad. Like every time I think it's gonna go down, it goes up, goes up, goes down. Like I can't play Asia at all. I've never been up to play London. Oh, Cube, you crushed it. Yo, noted. Duly noted. Dude, I lose money every single time. I'm like, so we're in the Discord, and like we'll just be hanging out, and I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna take a trade, and like instantly regret taking the trade. It just goes the other way. So you get all your payouts in Asia? Yo, Cube, I think you're the only person I know that does that. I can't get Asia to go. Just doesn't work for me. Maria, and Mara. Dude, there's a bunch of women in the chat now. Mad Moxie's also. Nazik is in here. Damn, you trade off the hourly? Dude, you're going in that looking for a hold. I gotta try it. I like buying micros and holding it, but I just can't. The hourly is definitely where it's gonna. Yo, what up, Alfred? What up? What up? Oh. It's too easy to get paper. Oh, I know. I know. Well, that's what happens to me is I freaking start flipping back and forth. Long, short, long, short. You know, it breaks out. It comes right back. What up? What up, Justin? Damn. Have you ever gotten a payout from Topstep, Marie? Is this going to be your first payout from Topstep? Dude. We are overbought as fuck. Yeah, but it's just kind of grinding up. Price is just kind of accepting each level where you're not. I think you're going to get up to 20,200. Yo, that's going to be your first Topstep payout. All you need is $200 tomorrow, right? $200 and you're good. 200. Let me see. Can I take a payout with Marie tomorrow? One, two, three. I wouldn't be 1, 2. No, I can't. I just got, the funded for the first time. Why are we rising in the first place? I don't know. I just don't think. I think everyone doesn't care about. I think a lot of people don't care about tariffs or anything. Personally, I think the whole tariff talk is done. I think something else is going to come up though. Oh, geez, what just happened here? Oh, dude, this is Oh shit! Oh, I'm taking this. I'm taking it. Oh, yo, Cove, if you got exactly 1,200 on my funded future starter, would you take it out? Cube, I've done that. Actually, yo, Cube, right here. Yo, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do that exact same thing tonight. How's that sound? I'm taking out $1,200 and I'm leaving the account with. Actually, what? No, can I? Yeah. I'm gonna leave the account with $84 drawdown. I took the poll and everybody wants me to take money out, so I'm gonna take the full amount out. This is actually my second payout in this account. So I don't think I'm going to get a third payout with this account. But yeah, man. Why? Are you going to take it out tonight? 1,200? Yo, if you take out 1,200, I'll take 1,200 out also. I broke my streak of 6 payouts in a row, ended on, I think it ended on Wednesday or Thursday last week. But I had a payout on Friday. I'll have a payout today. Or did the streak end on Wednesday? I don't know. I think I went 6 days with a payout. I missed one day, and now I'm back on the payout train every day. Yo, I'm almost at 10K subs. I haven't even looked. I'll be honest with you, I've been having fun with everybody, though. I think we were talking about the room and everything over the weekend. Josh, Jay Powell going to keep rates higher. Yeah. I think they're going to keep rates the same. Yo, Stay Blue is here. Yo, bro, how have you been? I actually brought your name up like 2 weeks ago. I was like, whatever happened to him? How have things been, man? Dude, I crushed it last month. I'm putting that video out tonight. Last month was a good month, and this month has started off really good. This is our third trading day, 2 prop firm payouts, and month to date, I'm at $6,100 here, and I think I'm at like $1,800 in my Robinhood account. Things are really good. Had a pretty good month so far. But I'm going to put my April recap video out tonight because that's all that a lot of people ask. So I just throw it out there. You need 2 days of $200 to request 5-ish. I'm guessing that is from Topstep, and you probably had one massive day, right, Carlos? You hit him on a massive day. That's usually what happens is you hit Topstep on one big day, and then you just get your $200 out so you can just get the big money. It's kind of what I mean, I didn't do the same thing here, but you know, you have one day of like $700 and you do 200, 200, 200, 200, and you get a nice payout. Oh, you did 1,900 the first day? Yeah. That'll do it. That's awesome. Yo, Cube, do you always use my funded futures? Or do you use some of the other accounts? Because some people like love my funded futures. Like they're all in. I was wondering if you were like an all-in my funded futures person. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I know some people free. Yo, what was the deal? Oh, double from previous month. Yeah, that's solid. Damn. It's just going. I just activated my 7th bull knox. Yo, so you have 7 that you're trading right now, or is it your 7th total? Because I know to do your 7th, you need to get payouts and keep the accounts and everything. So I was just wondering if that's your 7th total or 7th that you got. Yeah, That's solid because people don't realize how hard it is to get 7 in a row. That means you started with 3, you kept them, you got a payout, and then you added a 4th, and then kept doing that and just kept adding. The highest I've gotten was like 5. Also, that's not my main firm I used. You know, I have the accounts, but I don't use it as my main thing. I mean, this is giving you really no opportunity to kind of do anything. I'll ask right. I'll look right now. I did not hear from them about. Oh, hold on. I don't know. Honestly, if I had to guess, at some point they're gonna yank it. They have not responded to me yet. No response from Bullnuts. I mean, right now, I wouldn't look to short this. I mean, there's probably people that are trying to short this that keep getting burnt. It's going to burn when they pee for a while if they keep trying to short it. But, I mean, this is just a grind up. You're basically almost turning green. What up, AG? I think 14. Let me look. I believe it's like 14. 14.33. You need to close below 170. We'll see. I don't know, man. If I had to guess, we're gonna pull back sometime probably after we hit 200. I'd probably say we're gonna hit 200, so maybe around 3 o'clock. Oh, geez. Yo, if you like stochastics, look at this indicator. You get stochastics, and also you see Heikkens inside the stochastics. Just throwing it out there. It's called, if you're wondering, it's called Heiken-Ashi RSI oscillator. Yeah, if you get it on here, all you got to do is hit the settings button and show stochastics. I had a horrible March. 2 impatients suffered from. Oh, yeah. The only month I didn't do great on was February. Oh, you saw my weekend on Sean's setup? Yeah, this screen is Sean's setup. I just added this. They're order blocks and breaker blocks. That's what I added. Other than that, this is what he uses. I like the setup. I think it's interesting. I like it enough I kept it up. Man. Yo, Marie. Waiting for the joke. Waiting for the joke. Played around, yeah. Played around on the weekend with the imbalance on Tradeovate. Did you ever add them? The imbalance, that's what's on here right now. See these red lines? The red line, and then these are imbalances from somewhere else. Red and green lines, those are all imbalances. I have them, I keep them on the chart. I love them for a quick scalp down, like a quick bounce off or a quick rejection. Yeah, I meant to make a video about this because people have asked about it. And on Tradeovate, it might be my best Tradeovate indicator. Yeah, I like it. I like it, and I'll probably keep using it. This is just a rough, like, you got to be patient today. I think tomorrow I get a ton of Apex rebills. I have those $16 rebills. I think that's tomorrow. My chart indicator is, wait, my chart is indicator free now. Ah, yeah, I know people that do that. Some people like it like that. What, something like this, where you have like New York high. You basically just have the highs and lows. And then it's something like this. I have a couple of screens like that. Yeah, because it was a special BK. It was like a special one day. Otherwise, they get rebuilt at 33 bucks also. Believe me, I'm not getting anything special. But yeah, I got previous week high, previous day high. I had one that was literally, maybe it was just this previous day high. Yeah. Yo, I appreciate the support, Fred. They're doing they did 20% off resets yesterday. That's what I was telling everybody. If you wanted to reset your My Funded Futures account, yesterday was the day to do it because they did 20% off any resets, right? This week's special, I'll tell you what this week's special is. This week's special is 20% off starter plus plans. So if you were going to buy a starter plan, I guess you could do the starter pluses, and it's actually, it might be cheaper. Nah, 20% off prelim, 20% off starter plus plans. They might be cheaper than the starter plans. Marie is out. Marie banked. It's a solid move. I love a Tradeify advanced account. Yo, Cube, you know what I realized about Tradeify? Don't get me wrong, I have Tradeify accounts. But this funded account, I got a payout. And then I lost like $1,500, but then made it back in one day. And now I need to like make serious money. I need to make like serious money to get a payout. I can't just milk it for like $150 a day to just take my money out. Yo, what up, Slade? Slade and your snake behavior, Slade. Yo, that shit was hysterical. What indicator is that? Which one? I use advanced accounts though all day. Yeah. The one that gives you previous day high. Oh, it's called yeah, this one, right? It's called Spaceman BTC Key Levels. And then once you go to settings, you could set it for the 4-hour, the daily. So like I could do previous high and low on the 4-hour chart, which I should have on, to be honest with you. These ranges are an hour off because the time is an hour off. Don't ask why. I don't know why. So basically, now I have my previous 4-hour low, previous 4-hour high. Why does that not make sense? Oh, because the 4-hour candle stopped right here. Yeah. Working on Certified eval is $20 from failing to plus 900. That's solid. How much for a 50K on funded trades? Wait. On what prop firm, Maria? On Tradeify or my funded futures? Oh, on my funded futures? They're 127 with 20% off. So it's about $100 for starter plus plans. Yeah. It's I'll show you. It's these. So basically there's no consistency rule on the funded account. I normally have these accounts. This is what I buy. I buy the cheapest account. But I'll be honest with you, they're about the same. I kind of like no consistency rule. So if they're the same price, I'd probably do starter pluses. There's no activation fee though. So like when you pass a my funded futures account, you don't have to pay like $150 or $130 to go to funded. It just goes to funded for free. Yo, Slade, I'm just curious. Were you like boys with Brian? I had to ask that. Were you like boys with Brian, or were you just? I didn't even know that you like talked to the guy. Yeah, well, yeah, they moved the consistency rule to evals. Yep. Yo, another bum. What up? Just trying to make a couple bucks today. Rough trading day. This is the first time we're really trading. Oh, well, we traded below the 34 down here. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on one second. I got to let somebody in. Really?
No, my board did say we probably need
You should always have a key to the house. Okay. All right. Dude, Dell was in on the earlier stream. He's away all week. I have to lose money on Tradeify so I don't see. That's what sucks about those accounts. The yeah, when you got to lose money on the straight to funded. Come on, give Daddy a little pop here. Give Daddy a little pop-a-rooney. Little pop. I'm not asking for much. Give me like just a tad. Let me get my beak wet a little bit. Yeah, he was on for a little bit early on. He wasn't on like super long. I think he's in Louisiana or Texas this week. Come on. One. You're going to make me just sell out of this thing. I know you. I'm going to get even. I'm out even. Fuck it. Oh, now it's going to pop all the way up to 72. Now it's going to pop. I updated my Chrome. Did I? My computer shut off. Did I update it? Why? What's my Chrome? I don't even know. You know more than me, I guess. My oh, I'm so glad I got out of that. Oh, I got such a bad fucking entry. I got such a bad entry. I should just put a freaking limit order right here, like I had before. Look at that, right off of it. Look at that shit. 151. I mean, that would have been such a nice scalp. Oh, it was saying to update for a while. Yeah, well, I reset the power went off at my house. The power went off at my house, so I was kind of I was forced to kind of restart it. But then the problem is I had to redo each one of these tabs. So now I kind of forget what was on some of the tabs, which is not good. We're definitely getting oversold, though. Wow, man, they're just giving it up. Let's see if it goes further down. I play a 200 bounce. See if they bounce it there. You guys wanted a drop. Here's the drop. Who's buying the dip? Oh, there's a resource tab, a restore tab. Yeah, but it doesn't, it restores the tabs, but the software itself, the fuck? It restores it, but what's on the actual screen doesn't get restored. You know, so like it restores this tab, but I gotta still add other shit. No way. We come all the way here. Was that 10? Oh, baby. What up, Forex nurse? What up? What up? Yeah, no, I've relaunched the tabs, but if you shut it off, you don't get the same data back. It launches a trading view, but all the charts are the same. Oh, baby. I'm just looking. Oh, man, crazy day. Finally getting some movement here. Um, Finally getting some movement. Yo, the price action was real rough this morning. I mean, this whole grind up was really rough. Like, I hate when we just grind. What's up, Joyce? What up? What up? Dude, I need 200. Let's see. I need to make a trade in this account. It does feel like they're just going to dump it here. Come on. It moves strong, but now what? I'm hoping it comes down to the top of the what is this? The imbalance? The orb? Actually, it's both. No, this is the imbalance. I hope it comes right down top here. If it doesn't, it doesn't. What's up, Elmi? I think it's going to sell off. I'm just waiting. I'm letting it run out of steam here. If we trade back up into this zone right here, I'd be looking to take a short when it dropped below 56. Way above the VWAP. It didn't jump up right away. I think it's going down. It's gonna work off this move. It's gonna come up here and it's gonna watch it reject in this area. 56 to 63. You want it to trade right up in here to maybe 61, and then on the way below 55, I'm gonna short it. Oh, I should just fucking stare. Man, whatever. I'm out. That was a shit entry. That was a real shit entry. But look, see how we came up? This was an order block that broke to the downside, and right there it just rejected it. Now you're getting back into support right here. It's going to be interesting if they break this to the down, this little flag to the downside. That's what I would be looking at. A little dump here. Come on. Come on down, baby. Just push it. I got all my orders waiting for you. You don't want to take them? Do you not want to take my orders? Don't bounce on the 200. Just drop. Dump it for Diddy. I love that, Sean. Dump it for Diddy. Let's go. Look at the 15. Is that the 15 second? I can't. The 15 seconds too low. What up, Sean? Yo, Diddy trial starting today, man. Better get that freaking oil out. Get that Diddy oil out. I imagine it works, Fred, especially for quicker scalps. Yo, I wish they videoed it. I want to see Diddy's face when they're like, we found 1,000 bottles of baby oil at your house. What's the comeback to that? What's he say? I got dry skin. I need 1,000 bottles of baby oil. It keeps me moisturized. Bro, imagine cleaning up all that shit. Who's the cleanup crew the next day, every day after one of those parties? Yo, what up, Akash? Yo, stay blue. How have you been, man? I haven't seen you in a while. How's everything going? McDaddy in the house. I think it goes down also. I'm just looking for a little quickie. Yeah, all good, man. A lot of things happen. Yeah, I feel you. Nah, man. Life happens, man. I get it. Your name came up though. We were just talking about people because this guy Ray went missing. We don't know where Ray is, and I was like, man, Stay Blue went missing too. I think this is day 6 without Ray. What up, Jaden? Come down and touch the top, baby. You're definitely recognized. Yo, Dell, Marie stayed in the whole time and sold at the top. She got in around the same time you did. I guess you guys are following the same thing. She did that when the 9 crossed the 21. The last time we saw Ray, he was having some fun at night, and then he just went fucking MIA. I don't know anybody that knows him to even like reach out. Yeah, Dell, Marie and you probably played the same strategy because I know you play crosses and she held the whole time. Yo, you can do a trailing stop, Dell. You can trail it by like 30 points and it'll just trail it up. 30 points, 30 ticks, whatever you want to do. You did. When you got out, Marie, that was pretty much the top. He plays crosses. Marie is 9 over the 21. I feel like Dell is the same thing. Dell, what's the cross you play that you got in? I want to say it's similar. Oh, Sean, what are you trying? Are you going BD? I don't know if it's going to move that much today, Sean. 9 EMA and the 5 VW. I don't know which one that is. Dude, you're going to let me know after? Bro. I feel like you're going heavy, Sean. Are you wheelbarrowing it? Are you the South Park guy right now? Oh, weighted volume weighted? Yeah, maybe that. I didn't know there was a volume weighted moving average because I thought it was just the moving. I guess that makes sense. What up, Josh? Yo. Oh yeah, he plays Hikins. You play the Hadoukens. Hadoukens. Yeah, the Hikins on the 5. Yeah. I think you're going to get some volume on the MOC. I'm just looking for a freaking dip to the top of the imbalance and bounce. How hard is that? How hard is that? So hard. So hard. They're not going to do it. Not going to do it. I don't trust this is the bottom, though. I don't trust it. I don't know. This is going to be a rough one. There we go. Give us that red candle. Push that shit down. See, we swept the previous 4-hour high, and now we came back in. I bet you we go all the way down. Actually, right in here is the breaker block on the 15. This is where you want to bounce off of, right in this zone. They got a little small fair value gap up there. Ripper. You know what's crazy? So this is why I like the higher time frames. We were unable to close above this hourly FVG. A close under 126 probably send it much lower. Some type of small bounce in this area on the 15. On the 5, this is looking good. I wonder if it trades back in this area and then gets rejected. Any updates on Diddy or Ray? I don't think you're going to get Diddy updates for a little bit. Jury selection begins today. Yeah, jury selection. Dude. Yo, they're starting to name celebrities that are connected to him. Michael B. Jordan, Kid Cudi, Michelle Williams, Mike Myers, and others. Dude, that's crazy. I don't know. That's what's on the list, man. Raise and witness protection. Imagine a Diddy vid drops and it pumps the market. Bro, they got all the Diddy gifts that you can use in the Discord, which are freaking hysterical. So they're not going to televise it because it's a federal offense. I didn't know that, Fred. Yeah, the dude from Austin Powers, I guess. Unless there's another one. Dude, it's crazy. What I don't understand is why didn't he just flee? Like, why didn't he just go to a country where he wouldn't be extradited and just live there? This is going to dump.
Order filled.
I accidentally I just double clicked. I really didn't mean that. Fuck me. Bro, I saw the Topstep live stream with you on. I thought it was a fake. Good to see. Yo, yeah, I was on Topstep. I was on Topstep quite a bit, actually. Did I profit from their stream? I make no money from being on there. It's just going on and hanging out. I don't get paid anything or anything like that. I don't understand why he just didn't go to a country and just say F it, sell all his stuff. He probably could have easily moved like $100 million out, and that's would have been it. He would have made it. He would have been fine. I want to move to break even real quick, actually, because this is gonna either dump or reject pretty fucking hard. Yeah, this is gonna reject or pop hard really fucking quick. Yeah, they asked me to come on the stream. Yo, makes 0 sense, Paul, unless somebody way up said even if you run, we're gonna kill you. You know, somebody with some big reach. You know, somebody that has the big reach was like, do not run. We'll get you one way or another. I'm just moving my stops down. Give me the dump.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, dude. You got to ask yourself, who just Eiffel Towered that? Who just Eiffel Towered that? Bro, I just got that thing both ways. Who just Eiffel Towered the NQ? Bro. Down and then back up. Yo, we're gonna lock this one out. 392. I was down $74. What happened? I went from down $74 to $392 in this account. And then I copy traded. I copy traded in 3 accounts, these 2 and this account for some gains. I took it to Gainesville. I was playing the bounce off of this. So you got to play the bounce off the hourly imbalance. Usually you're good for about at least 10 points. So this blue line is that. I copy traded the bounce in a couple of accounts. I got that. Nice. Nice, Knob. That's freaking solid. Hold on. I got to give my kids this paper. They have a science project. I got to give them this paper. So give me 2 seconds. They just came back from school. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. My bad. What up? What up? Yo, what up, Methodical? What's crack-a-lacking? Dude, markets are slow today. Slow. I locked out of a bunch of accounts, though, but it's slow. You're long at 20,100. Yeah, if it gets down there, that's not terrible. I'm wondering if we get back under this, we're going to go all the way down here. Oh, that's right. You play the 200 on the 2. I feel like I almost want to take this and stop out right here. This would be the up candle right here. Tight ass stop. Yeah, tight stop. I want to see it go. There we go. I don't trust anything, but I'll take a quick 85. I take a quick 85. Maria, put it in the Discord so we can look at it. You can put screenshots in the Discord. Throw it in there. That's the best place to put stuff because you guys can you can put stuff. Here's the link for anybody that's not in it. It's free. It's where you can kind of catch some of us when we're not on here. Also, some of the people play poker at night if you want to play. Just don't have any time. Well, whenever you get time. Does anyone not like the... Oh, somebody just posted this. What is this? So the 145% China tariffs are going to put a massive number of small businesses. This is an excellent short report. KVYO. They're saying a short Cavo. I know what that is. Which way, up or down? Why isn't that finding it? Oh, I'm in the wrong. I'm in the wrong area. Down. Marie's thinking down. I don't know. I can see them just pushing it back up. What up, Ace? What up? What up? I'm just watching this thing. It's holding. It's holding right here. I think eventually it's probably going to push up. I kind of want to get another. I'll add to my position if it pops. If they push it. If they push it and I get up to, if it gets up to here, I'm going to move my stop to break even. Yo, no, yo, they're doing jury selection right now. Jury selection right now on the Diddy trial. There's like 150 jurors that they brought in, and they're basically interviewing everybody. Bro, there's a lot of people coming out of the woodwork. I'm about to get on that list. Be like, yo, how much should I get? Oh, a couple mil? Yo, Diddy touched me. Give me a couple mil on that. I just feels like people are coming out of the woodwork saying that Diddy touched them. I mean, it's freaking crazy. I am getting out of this if this doesn't pop within the next candle or two. I'm just throwing that out there. I really want to see this go. I'm actually getting out of it. I'm out. Yo, what up, Kaba? He definitely touched Bieber, Maria. Yo, without a doubt, Bieber got it. Bieber definitely got it. You could see every time they bring it up with Bieber's face, he like relives it. Dude, in that weird video of him being like, "Yo, Bieber, like, why don't you call me to hang out anymore?" And Bieber was like 14. That was a weird ass video. I saw that one. All these videos are gonna start coming up again. Yo, he wanted to take 50 Cent shopping. Yeah, Kaba. The more it consolidates here, the more stochastics are working up, but we're not moving up. Eventually, we're going to roll this over, and it's just going to come down. The baby oil bandit. RG trades. Bro, you from where? I don't know. What you want my address? I don't. What's up? I want to see the receipts. Where's he buying all the baby oil from? What up, Dan? Do you think he's like got a wholesale deal? Like the truck comes? Yo, he's coming over for dinner? Don't come to my house. America? Yeah. I feel like the way I talk, you would know I'm from the United States. I just have this weird feeling. Do I sound like I'm from a different country than United States? I feel like anytime I've been abroad, no one's actually sounded like me. Dude, I missed the Papadocious right there. Would have had it. Yo, he buys it from the manufacturer. Like, how does that work? Like, J&J, we're gonna need 8 pallets of baby oil to 65, Jimmy Avenue. It's for Diddy again. It's definitely for Diddy. Yeah. Yo, the imbalance rejection right here. Which states? I'm in New York. I'm in New York right now. I'm over here now. Why? Where do you live? He got it at Costco, but the Costco guy said that they never sold baby oil. He only gave 3 options. Dude, I can't believe I was in this and just didn't fucking hold it. Don't come to my house. We got a Second Amendment house over here. Yo, what's the cross streets? You came to a random. Well, welcome to the random stream, brother. Feel free to hang out. You could hang out. You could helicopter it. You could do whatever you want over there, man. You're all good. Bro, I had a couple people ask like what town I'm in, like as if you're gonna come swing by. I'm like, nah, I'm good, man. You don't need to come by. Bored from seeing BTC. I'm in Seoul right now. How's Seoul going? I'm in Seoul right now. Seoul price. What are we at? Solana. I'm about even on Seoul. I think I bought it at like $47. I think I 10x leveraged Seoul at 147 because I was bored over the weekend. Yo. Some people like to put an address on a face. Dude, if you really wanted to, enough of my information has been on this screen that you would know exactly where I live. How's that sound? I think my address actually popped up on this screen during one stream. I'm just telling you that. Somebody's going to go back and watch every fucking stream, but it's been up here at one point. You could find out where I live if you wanted to, because somebody already did, and they told me where I live. What time is it? What time is it for me right now? It's game time. No, it's 3:40. It's 3:40 right now. Yo, what up, Corey? Yo, Corey's the guy who delivered the Diddy oil to Diddy. He delivered all that baby oil. Show the receipts, Corey. Tell him how much you ordered. Yeah, I need to prepare myself. Yo, Corey on Spark, did you get anybody that bought like 4 bottles of baby oil or something like that? Show the receipts. Yo, butt crack activated. 50. Oh, Bentley. Oh. Oh, I'm just kind of setting it up. Bro, what's your name? It says Cove Trader right below. What's your name? Maybe someone would like to know more about this U.S. Second Amendment. Yo, yay, Cove Trader is your firm name. Like, that's my real name. My real name is Cove Trader. That's when I came out. My mom was like, "Yo, we're gonna name him Cove Trader," and that's exactly what happened. It just fit. Dude, this thing's just dumping. I just don't want to get into a trade right here. Look, this is where I think they're gonna bounce it anyways. See this breaker block from before? This to me is all support. For it to really dump, you're gonna have to get under here. Otherwise, I think they're gonna bounce it right here. Do you trade BTC? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I trade BTC. Sometimes I trade Sol. If I trade crypto at all, that's what I'm trading. Why do you trade BTC? I'm about to blow BTC big thing. Yo, this is where I was looking for a bounce right in here. Bro, why didn't my order move? What a fucking hit right there. That was a nice hit. Very nice. Very nice. Your fans hate you? Nobody hates you. It's just weird that you're asking about my address, my name and my address. It came off a little weird when you are brand new here. That's all. It's a little awkward. And this is more of just a community of people that like to hang out and shoot the shit and trade. It's more of a community than a fan thing. It's more of just a hangout. Yeah, it's it's just weird to come in and just be like, "What's your name?" That's all. Nothing against you. This is the first time I've ever done. This is the first time I've ever done it this way. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm testing something new out. I'll go up or down. Roll the dice, baby. Roll it. Yo, what up, Lee? Man, we lose to. I don't know what we're gonna do here. It feels like we're gonna go down. Like, let's be real. It feels like it's gonna drop. Feels like a dippy McDipperson's coming. This candle is small though. A small ass candle. I don't know how much I trust this. I don't trust it much. I can tell you that right now. I don't have a good feeling about this one. Just an FYI.
Order rejected.
Yeah, I did not have a good feeling about that one. Well, that one didn't work. I freaking knew that was coming. I only took the short and it paid. Yeah, I probably should have only done the short. To be all seriousness. Wait. What the fuck is happening in... I fucking felt like that was coming. I felt like that was coming. Where is the VWAP anyways? So we just lost VWAP? Is that what just happened? We just lost VWAP. I'm going to go through it real fast. I'm just going to go to the... Yo, what did it do? It just fucking, it went down and then... It went down and then up. Yeah. I'm just kind of going over what happened. It went down just a little bit and then went up. I gotta go to the 1 second chart. Oh, it's not even gonna show it. I think it went down and up is what it did. All right. Trying to get some of these I'm trying to get this to a payout. I got stopped. Yeah. I have accounts that I only do that one trade with. Like, I'm not going to trade in the account the rest of the time. Holy shit. I just got out of that. Fuck me. Fuck. Holy shit. Tell me you're going to bounce this thing. Push it up. Get back over this blue line. Just suck it back up. Suck it back up like a vacuum. Go. Come back. Come back. $300. $300, baby. Oh, man. Patience pays. Dude, it flushed. It definitely flushed. Yo, who's drifting after hours anyways? Anyone drifting with us? Yo, where do you think he learned the trade from, Lee? Back to recession narrative? I don't think so. Come on, give me one big fucking push. If this drops below here, it might just flush out. It might flush all the way down to 20,000 if it doesn't bounce here. This is like the last line before we see 20,000. Come on, bounce it. I knew I shouldn't have went to the well a second time, but I did. I went to the well a second time to try to make some money, and I just fucking did. Yo, see you soon, RG. Yo, later, Blue. Drop it. I think they're going to. I think they're going to reject this 9 and dump it back over. Come on. Give me a flush. Give me a roll right here. No one's buying this. No one's buying this. Come on. Yo, later, Pats. Come on. Dump it for Diddy. I took $70 because the market's about to be done. It's 359 now. I'm betting for the very bottom too. This is bad. Yo, that's the problem. It's so late, but I do think we're gonna dump it. Watch it just flash dump. Just flash dump it down. I want to size up here, but I'm afraid. End of the market. Push it. Dump it. Oh, shit. Wow. Yo, it's not over. I'm gonna drift. You don't have to, obviously. This is very dangerous, but I'm going to drift. I grabbed some early in another account, but fuck. I'm waiting until this closes. Fuck me. I'm waiting until this closes. I took the 1 minute in a take profit trader account. I'm up, but yo, just so you know, PLTR has earnings today. Just letting you know. PLTR has earnings at any minute. This is not recommended. Who's drift? I'm just curious. Who's drifting in the chat? PLTR, Palantir. Oh, I just cracked my back. Oh. I'm drifting, man. I'm drifting. I'm just drifting. Just a guy who's just got a plan to drift. Drifting and dreaming. Yo, later, Maria. I kind of like that we consolidated here with the candle without just keep dropping. I like this candle because that kind of consolidates a little bit. And now we're getting the push. Now we're getting the tush push. Let's see what happens. Dude, why did I get... Dude, my order was at 36 and they filled me at 32. What the fuck was that? My order was right here at 37 and I got filled at 32. I got filled 5 points away. Are you fucking kidding? Are you kidding me? How does that happen? They just hosed me. Yo, more like I just spread them cheeks, methodical. I just got booty spread. Yo, $435 in a PA. Yo, do the Trump dance. Ah. Yo, who drifted? Who drifted? If you drifted, let me know. I'm just curious how many people drifted. 700 drifted? Yo, I gotta have accounts for... I gotta have my my end of day accounts and I got my drifting accounts. Drifted, yeah. We drifted. Dude, that was awesome. Yo, if they didn't fill me 5 points below, I would have gotten an extra $300, I guess. $200. Dude, you're a whole. I'm out. The play for me, the play is done. But I'm with you. If you hold, you might get a lot more. But we drifted, Joe. We drifted. Yeah, man, you ain't kidding. I didn't feel great about the end of the day either, but I felt good about the drift. Yo, PLTR just went green, just so you're aware, Scotsman. PLTR is up 3%. I just want you to know. Yo, thanks, Methodical. Yeah, I mean, PLTR is up now almost 3.5%. I'm just letting you guys know, if you're in it, what that's doing. Dude, that was freaking awesome. Yo, Hims had earnings. Hims is down also. Hims is down $1 after earnings. I have a feeling Hims is going to be about even, and all the options juice is going to get sucked out. Diamond butt cheeks long? Dude. Yo, Hims needs one of those pills. Yo, I think they just sucked options premium out, Josh. If you look at it, nah, Hims just went green, Coach Fred. Hims just turned green. It's up 37 cents now, 50 cents, 60 cents. They killed all the. If you bought options, you got crushed in Hims. Hims is up. Actually, Hims is up $1 now. That's why I sold options. I think the options premium was super high on Hims, and I think it's just all getting sucked out. Hims, dude, Hims just made a turn. It's only up. It's only down $1. It's down $1 now. Sucked out dry. Nothing left. Damn, that's short. Look at that. Holy shit.
The market is closed.
Yeah, PLTR is down 4%. 4% down. It's going to bounce around. Dude, yo, what up, Prophet P? What's going on, man? I'm actually going to yo, what up, DBT? I'm actually going to go over the HIMS earnings report, and I am probably gonna roll my positions because they're probably gonna be up almost 80% or so, I would assume. And I am gonna keep playing HIMS. When it opens up tomorrow, there's gonna be there's premium's gonna be up. Yo, they beat on revenue, beat on EBITDA, they beat on EPS. Bro, they beat everywhere. Holy shit. They raised guidance, they raised revenue guidance, they raised EBITDA guidance. Wow. Subscribers are up 38%. Everything is up except for margins are 73% versus 77. Other than that, they beat everywhere. I'm loving HIMS, by the way. What's their EBITDA at? 91 million. Estimate was 62 million. Dude, they're targeting $6.5 billion of revenue in 2030. That'll be massive. That'll be massive. That's what they're talking about. Jeez. An adjusted EBITDA of 1.3 billion in 2030. That's the target. That's pretty crazy. Oh, the market's fucking closed. Yeah, I think depending on how far it goes down, I'm going to keep writing puts every week until I'm put the stock. And then I'll just hold. I have 200 shares and I sold, I think I sold like 15 contracts of puts, which obviously if I'm hit, I would buy 1,500 shares of HIMS. I'm not going to get filled any of them, so that's all going to be profit. And then tomorrow at open, I'll probably readjust those to like $1 or $2 under whatever we open at to collect more premium. Wow. That's freaking. That's awesome. I got to charge my phone. I got to go after hours. I'm going to have to go. They'll get into sword fights. Yo. Damn, Prophet Pre showed you what's up. Dude, they killed you. You're getting hustled. You didn't even know you're getting hustled. all seriousness, this looks like we're going to dip further. It looks like we're going to drop more. I just lose every time I do this shit. I lose. Yo, the Eiffel Tower Dell. Yo, we're trying to give you free points. That's like, you know, you won money, but you're gonna have to pay send us money to pay the taxes first, and then we'll send you it. I wonder if they just drop it all the way down. Yeah, might as well just go back in for more. Might as well just go back in for more. Can't stop, won't stop. Carlos, you tried to enter the race, but nothing. Why? What happens? Put it in. Put the thing in right now. Put the code in. Dude, I never started it. My bad. Dude, I didn't know I didn't start it. My bad. Yo, I didn't even know. Dude, I set it up like fucking an hour ago, too. I didn't even realize it. I was just about to run it, too. Oh, man. Oh, practice is canceled. I'll tell you what, I am going to get some. Yo, Sean wants to know if you guys are going to play poker tonight. Sean, not Sean. I'm going to get some more Take Profit Trader accounts. I think I need more than one pro account. I'm going to need a couple of them. Damn, they just popped this thing. All right, I'm going to close this up in 1 minute. Closing it up in 1 minute. Boom, 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 boom. All right, 20 seconds, and then we're going to run the ducks. 20 seconds for the ducks. Hurry up if you didn't put it in. Put the code in. Got 20 seconds. Damn, I just went from being down a bunch to now I'm back green. Wow. Dude, dump this below. Keep dumping it. Keep dumping it. I feel like I'm going to take this. I just took that. 125 bucks. That's a good little after hours. All right, I'm stopping this and we're going to run this thing. You got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So I'm going to set this up. By the way, if you're new here and you're about to watch what happens on the screen, this is us giving away a free account, so you know what's going on. We also stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. till 4:30. Be sure to subscribe, and after you subscribe, you got to hit that little bell button to be notified. Otherwise, you might not know that I'm on. Also, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do this. This is everybody that was on the morning stream. If you were on the morning stream, this is you. Quack, quack, baby. I'm just looking to see where HIMS and PLTR are. PLTR is down 5%. HIMS is down about 5%. Who do we got that's going to win? Yo, let's go, Brandon. You're out front. Oh, geez, they got you. Nathan White. Yo, are you on stream? You don't see you on the morning stream? Were you on the morning stream, McDaddy? Yep. I do not see that you entered. It wasn't open the whole time. Yeah, but it's not open the whole time. So like if you just come in the room and put the code in and like leave, it's not always open. It's only open for a little bit. So if you just came in and like put the code in and then didn't look, it's not open all the time in the morning. You gotta watch it. Yo, gotta smash the like button. Yeah, you probably entered too late. It's only open for a little bit. Oh, man. Yo, road to success. You got to be on before. Too late. Too late. Oh. Yo, evil Scotsman in your little snorkel gear. Yo, premature formulation. Yo, Luca, it's 4:27. Are you here? You got 2 minutes. Yo, somebody got taken out on this big green candle, and then they just dumped it. That's dirty. That's so dirty. Look at it. They're just dumping it now. Oh, I didn't do the balls. I forgot to do the balls. I did ducks. Yo, Bullnox answered me finally. Let's see what Bullnox says. Can they move my accounts over? Uh-oh. Yo, Luca. Luca got it. Damn, they're just dumping it. Look at this. It's going to get interesting at 20,000. It's going to get real interesting at 20,000. Jeez. Well, a couple of guys are going to play poker tonight. It's free to play if you want to join. Also, that's where most of us hang out when we're not on the stream. See you later, Matt. If you want to join the Discord, that's the link. It's free. Go in, chill out. Today was a good day, except for some of my accounts took a little bit of a hit. I'm going to have to work these freaking accounts up. I'll be back tomorrow with another shot at it. Dude, they just dumped this whole thing. This is freaking 200 points of just down. Yo, later, Cash. Later, Sean. Oh, man. I am exhausted. And I think I got to go drive somewhere that's not close. All right, everybody. If you got questions, anything, now's the time to ask before I jump off. Indicators, strategies, prop firms. Here's a link that might answer some of your questions. If not, y'all later, 205. All right, I'm jumping off. Peace.